We are short 100. No, we're full in. We are full in on SQ at 215.84. This thing's been consolidating down here for a little bit here. You know, it gapped down and dropped right away, rallied hard. Just before it went to the top there, it dropped again. We got a lower high, another lower high. So this thing's probably going to drop down to at least below 215. So target's going to be around 214.75 area, about a point. Stop loss will be over 216.70 area, 80, about a point each way. Let's take a look at this thing up close. A lot of dip buying going on in this area here. They're all putting their stops below 215 area, the first part, and the other part will be down around 214 area, lower day. SQ, it's going up near our stop area, but we're going to put a stop out. Let's put a stop, 216.80. It's probably going to hit it here. Alright, we are out. Maybe we'll take it in a little bit. If it climbs over 17 and it starts to drop, maybe we'll take it in a little bit. We took a little over a point loser on that. We are short LAZR at 34.10. We think this will drop down to at least 33.50, below there. That's going to be the target, below 33.50. Not sure where. See how much momentum it has once it gets there. And stop loss will be over 34.75 area. About 75 cents, maybe a point each way. LAZR, and there it is, just popped its head over this area here. It's trying to anyway. It's got a little ways to go, but I don't think it has the juice to climb. Maybe a little bit more, but I think it'll drop. And once it starts dropping, it'll probably escalate. But if it doesn't, we will come out of it. SQ, we're going to short this one more time here if we can. I think this is done climbing here. We took a loss earlier. Alright, we're back in. SQ, we took a loss earlier, about a point loss, but it climbed another point here and a bit. So the market's starting to drop. So I think this will just fade out here and then it'll just drop down to probably well below 217. That's going to be the target. Somewhere below 217, not sure where. And stop loss will be around 218, close to 19 area, about a point each way. But I might let this one fluctuate a little bit because the market looks like it's about to drop. Look at the SPY. It's been consolidating for a while and it's looking like it's heading down. It's at yesterday's close pretty much, just consolidating. So I think it'll drop. And SQ will follow it, I think, because it's down for the morning. But you never really know. Alright, we're at our stop area. Let's see what happens. But we're going to hold on a little bit because it is down for today. So if it was up for today, I would have probably came out of it already. But it's not. It's down. SQ, alright, it's coming back to us. LAZR, it's finally working in our favor here, but things moving really slow. So I don't know, I'm thinking about coming out of this. LAZR, we're going to come out of this right here if we can. Alright, we're out. We're out. We only took like 15 cents or so. We are short mrna, only 100 shares. Oh, we're full in at 108 straight. We think this is just a pullback from these lows here and it's just going to turn around and drop. Target's going to be below 107. Stop loss will be around 109. There's a lot of resistance up here, so around the 109 area. Point each way. mRNA, it's coming down to our target area. Let's see if we can get at least a full point here. SQ is starting to work out too, so we'll take a look at that in a second. Alright, let's take this right here. Come on. Alright, we're out. We're out. We took about 75 cents. Let's take a look at SQ. It's starting to work out a little bit. I had almost a point here and I didn't take it. We got double tops here now, so we think it'll head back down to 217. Market's still dropping. SQ, alright, it's heading back down here. Let's see it down below 217, but I will take it this time if it doesn't go below 217. We'll probably just come out of it. Alright, SQ heading back down to 217. SQ, we're gonna take this right here. It's not enough volume anymore, so Alright, we are out. We are out. We took another 75 cents. We are short tsla, only 50 shares. We think this thing is going to pull back here. It's up quite a bit to that all-time high, and it's just kept climbing. But we think it'll drop a few points here. We're going to see if we can get 4 points, 3 to 4 points. Stop loss will be over the highs. Only 50 shares, so now it's bull flagging here, and I actually thought about going long, but this has been climbing. The market's dropping. I don't see this thing having much more than maybe one more breakout here and then dropping. Alright, we got a little over a point here. Not enough. Does not want to snap. 716 there. Come on. Alright, we snapped it. See how far it goes. It's just getting bought up down there. Come on. Alright, we're almost at 2 points here. See if we can get a little bit more. If not, we will just come out of it. Alright, we got 2 points here. Alright, we got a little more than 2 points. Alright, let's take this right here. Alright, we're out. We took about, what is that? 2 points and 70 cents. I'll take that. Only 50 shares, so. We are short mrna at 106.91. We think this has one more leg lower here. It should have climbed already. It's not. A lot of dip buying going on here. All their stops at 106.50. And there's a lot of volume in this today, so I think it'll have one more leg lower here. So target's going to be, I like a 106, below 106. And stop loss will be over 107.80, 90 area before it hits 108. Because if it hits 108, it'll just keep climbing. I don't want that. Alright, let's see what happens here at 106.50. Alright, here we go. mrna, we're going to come out of this thing right here if we can. It's just struggling to drop here and see if we can get something here. We are out. Watch it drop now. Watch, we come out of it and the thing drops. But I'll take that. We still took about 40 cents. Anyways, traders, that's going to be it for us today. We took a good sized loser right off bat at the open, but we made that back and some. We're up 313. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades, 5 winners, 1 loser. Our biggest winner on mrna and our loser on SQ. Thanks for watching.